In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize the Scene panel and rename objects in Adobe Dimension. Let's begin by launching Adobe Dimension on your desktop and opening the document you want to work with. If you already have a scene ready, great. This will make the organization process much easier to see in action. Once your file is open, head to the Scene panel, located at the top left of the workspace. This panel is your master list of everything in the scene: models, groups, lights, and cameras. Think of it like a file tree. It shows a clear hierarchy, so you always know what's inside what. Find the object you want to rename in that hierarchy list. Renaming is simple and worth the effort. Clear names make complex scenes faster to navigate and reduce mistakes later. Double-click the object's current name to highlight it, type the new name, and press Enter to confirm. A helpful tip here: use short, descriptive names and consider consistent prefixes like model /, light, or cam ts, so similar items stay grouped when sorted alphabetically. Now let's organize the Scene panel for smoother work. You can group objects to keep related parts together, like a bottle, cap, and label, so they move and manage as one. To do this, select multiple objects in the Scene panel while holding Shift for Arrange or Command on Mac OS, Control on Windows for individual picks, then click the Group action at the bottom of the panel. Groups are like folders. You can rename them the same way, and even nest groups inside groups for larger scenes. To fine-tune the order, click and drag objects up or down in the Scene panel. A divider will appear showing where the item will land. Reordering changes the stacking and parent-child relationships, so you can move objects into or out of groups with precision. This is especially useful when you want a clean hierarchy that mirrors how you think about the scene. If you're worried about accidental edits, lock the object. Select it and click the lock icon next to its name. You'll still see it, but you won't be able to move or modify it until you unlock it. This is perfect for finalized elements or background props. You can also use the visibility eye icon to quickly hide or show objects. This helps reduce visual clutter while you focus on specific parts of the scene. Finally, for large projects, use the search field at the top of the Scene panel to find objects by name and apply filters to view only models, lights, or cameras. Clean names make search and filtering far more effective. And that's how to rename and organize like a pro in Adobe Dimension.